my name's Nate Daniels and I'm here with Bill Cole Automall. Behind me I have this beautiful Crimson Red Pearl 2020 Legacy Sport. You can see it has the black wheels and the black mirror caps. But today I'm here to talk to you about the new Gen 4 Starlink system that's on the inside of here. So if you come on in with me, I'll go over it with you. Alright. Alright, so you see here on this big 11.6-inch screen that there's a lot of buttons that we can go on, but the main things I'm going to hit at first here is the climate control. There's 3 different ways that you can change your climate. The first is going to be, you got these 2 physical buttons right here on the side, and if you watch on the bottom, it's showing you that we're changing the temperature. Red is going up and blue is going down. You can also tap here and use the blue and red arrows on here. You can even just grab the bar and slide it. Now this one is equipped with the dual climate, so if you touch the sync down here, and if it's not highlighted, it will just do one side individually, as you see represented down here. If you sync it up, it automatically puts the passenger with the driver. This is equipped with heated seats with 3 levels. You tap it once, it's going to show the highlighted area of the seat that is going to be heated. The first tap is going to be all the way. Tap it again. It's going to go down to the second level of heat. Tap it one more time and it goes to the lowest level of heat, which is highlighted in the least amount of color. You can also do cool things on here, like hitting this little speaking guy over here and give the car voice commands. So if we hit this,
please say a command.
Set the temperature to 75 degrees.
Okay, setting temperature to 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
And you can see it changed it there on the bottom. You also can customize all of this down here. So if we go into the settings screen, make sure you're on the general tab up here, and you can go down to climate control, tap it. If you hit this, you can change what button is going to be located right here. So you can go from AC and have it like that, max AC, auto, and recirculation, so whatever you prefer. For this, we'll just put it to max AC. So then if we come down here and hit this button, it's going to go ahead and just max everything out, put the fan all the way up and the temperatures all the way down. Turn it off just by tapping it again. If you hit this center button right here, it's going to pull up the HVAC system. Here you can change the fan speed just by tapping. You can also change it with these buttons down here. You can change how your vents are, turn your front defroster on just on your feet, or do all the vents. You got AC, auto, and recirculating to choose from up here. Oh, hit the media button. So just tap that again and it'll pop right back up, and you can kind of fine tune how you want all this. Not like auto, you can go to full auto, and then you don't have to worry about anything. It's going to automatically do the fan speed and the temperature and all that and keep it where you want it.